Hey guys, Merit spoiled me again this week and sent me some makeup. So today I thought we would do like a little get ready with me using Merit products. This box came with Great Skin Priming Moisturizer, the Uniform, the Minimalist, and the #1 brush. So I'm going to start out with the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. I used this in my last Merit video and I really liked it. This is a lightweight cream that instantly blurs and preps the skin for makeup while helping to provide time-release hydration for perfected skin all day. This is designed to be used after the Great Skin Serum and before the Minimalist. While I waited for the priming moisturizer to just dry down, I did my brows and my lashes off camera because those aren't Merit products. So now we're going to go in with the Uniform. I use the shade 26 Dune. I've been using this, I'm not kidding you, every single day like as my foundation and I love it. It blends out so pretty and just gives the skin such a nice look. It just evens out my skin tone, which I really like for the summer. And I love that this is lightweight, so you can really wear it every day. But I feel like the coverage is just as good as a foundation. I feel like it's more than a skin tint. This blends so nicely with a brush. It doesn't get streaky or anything, which I really love. Next, I'm going to go in with the Minimalist, and this is a Perfecting Complexion Stick. I'm going to apply this where I would normally apply concealer. It's not a foundation or a concealer. It's both. Use it only where you need it so you get compliments on your skin, not your makeup. I'm going to buff it out with the #1 blending brush. The #1 tool in your kit, use it to blend and you won't be able to tell where your skin and makeup meet. This really gives a flawless finish. This brush is really nice. I think everything blended out so seamlessly and pretty. These two, the Minimalist and the brush, are definitely a really good duo. I forgot to mention I got the Minimalist in the shade Dune, and on the box of the Uniform it tells you what shade to use for the Minimalist. So I got Sandstone in the Uniform and then Dune in the Minimalist. So just for fun, I also went digging through my makeup collection and found some other Merit products to use. So I'm going to go in with the Blush Balm Cheek Color in the shade Cheeky. I'm just going to pop this on my cheeks and on my nose a little bit. And I'm going to blend it out with this Jessup brush. I'll link everything down below. Oh, this gives like a really cute little like sun-kissed look. And I'm going to go in with this Day Glow Highlighting Balm in the shade Solstice. I'm just going to apply some to like my nose and my cheekbones. And then to finish up, I'm going to use the tinted lip oil in the shade Pointel. And here's the finished look. My skin looks amazing with these products. I love it. Like I said, I've been using the Uniform every single day in my daily makeup routine and I'm obsessed with it. I'm really excited to use the Minimalist. I've been wanting to pick this up and I just haven't. So receiving this was a total surprise, and a whole another bottle of the Uniform. Again, a total shock. I literally was not expecting it at all. These two are really pretty as well. The Day Glow Highlighting Balm isn't like a pow in your face highlighter, but it's very, very pretty for every day. Love the brush. Thank you, Merit, for sending me all these goodies again. Thank you for spoiling me. All the products that I used will be linked in the description box, especially like what I used off camera. I think the only thing that I use that won't be available is my brow product. Tell me what you think of all these products in the comments down below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below as well. And I'll see you guys next time.